we're going to be making a sanding block. Alright? Now, this is going to be quick and easy. I'm Ken with Easy Tips and Tricks, where you see everything up close and personal. So with no further ado, let's do this. Alright, making a sanding block. This is one. Alright, now this is a custom one, okay? You see it's notched in here. The sandpaper is held here on the outer edge, and the center locks it into place, okay? Which it just kind of goes right down into this groove here. And then you just press and clamp the sandpaper right into it, and you just kind of squeeze it down and it locks it in place. Okay? That's how that's done. Okay, now this isn't what we're here for. We're going to take this 2x4. Now I've already sanded. I've cut this. This is 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches. Okay? Now I've sanded this down. And now I'm taking Velcro. Now you can have one piece of Velcro that goes from one end all the way across to the other, one solid piece. You can take a construction staple gun and then staple these into position. Okay. And like I was saying, you may want to use a construction staple gun to hold them in place. You might like to put a little crazy glue on the back of it. Alright, now let's do the test. Okay. Alright, now let's take this block, the Velcro on each side. Alright, I suggest you run a full piece of Velcro strip alright, all the way across, and this is the rough side. Okay, as you see, it's about the same size as my sandpaper. Alright, this will come up here, and that'll hold it. Now, let me show you what we're going to do. Alright, there's the back, this is the outer corner, alright? Alright, so I'm going to take this, and I'm going to come in here at that about a 15 degree, 22 degree, and I'm going to flatten this out. Then I'm going to put a 15 degrees over here and roughly a 15 degree over here, and it will round it over to the corner. And I'm using this. Otherwise, if I tried to use my palm sander, I could do it, but I'm at risk of cutting into my wall, and that will prevent that. Okay? So, no further ado. Okay, now, this is part 1. Part 2, I will show you how to do this round over close to a bullnose. But it's basically just going to be a round over, alright? And it will blend, and you're going to see that in part 2 in full. So stay tuned and check out part 2. After the video, I will put that link in the description on this video. So remember, Easy Tips and Tricks, where you see everything up close and personal. And remember, never give up, because there's always a way. Always. You just got to find out what that way is.